Welcome to the Warbird Brothers channel. Today we're going to talk about Leo's Hangar 9 Tiger 30cc with an NGH 38cc 4-stroke. We originally were going to put a DLE 35 in this plane, but he had been wanting to try one of these NGH 4-strokes for a while. So we said, let's see if we can make it fit. The Hangar 9 is a great little sport plane, flies so easy, and the NGH has plenty of power for it. This is an August day at our field at the LMAC, Lexington Model Airplane Club field. Good day for a maiden for this plane. The Tiger 30 has a 90-inch wingspan. It's a good sized plane for sure. Had a problem with this one out of the box because the canopy had been stepped on and was pretty smashed up. So I asked Tower Hobbies to replace it, which they graciously said they would, but they've been on back order ever since and not expected to be in until February of 2023. There's the NGH mounted on the supplied motor mount. I took a choke rod right out the top of the cowl. It's cut off pretty short, so it's easy to get the cowl on over top of it, and then we just screw a little button on top of that. Pretty good setup for the choke. There's all you see of it sticking out. That's probably about half of the head sticking out and just barely had enough room to get the muffler on, or the straight pipe. It's not really a muffler. The Hangar 9 30cc Tiger comes with full-length ailerons, or you can split them and make flaps if you prefer, which we did. We made flaps for it, and they've never been needed. It lands so easy. There it is to the 60 size Escapade from Great Plains. That one has a 20cc DLE in it. Another great flying plane. There's a look at down the inside. I make these tanks myself. I bought those fittings off eBay and put them in. Just make an easy setup. And there she is sitting on the runway waiting for the maiden. And you wait until you hear the sound of this 4-stroke. I think you'll like it every bit as much as we do. Here's Leo's first landing with it.
You want to get on the grass?
Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you next time.